Let's go to installation and registration process. So the requirement for hardware and system. So these are the for terminal system for Windows. We required for Windows 10 and above, and it should be 64-bit. For Mac OS, I think Mac OS 10 and above, and iOS 11 and above. For Android, that is 7 and above. So I think some of you here are our partners for a long time and has been using our OM20G, 50G, I think the other models of OM. So we also require the software version that is 204 or above, and I think also can be updated in the New Link backend management system for you to be able to support New Link. Okay, so with regards to the New Link software installation, the first method is that you can go to this site. I mean, uh, you can also install your software in your PC or your mobile phone, and this is the website for New Link. And go to download. So if you have your Windows client, you can click this one. For Mac OS, click this one. And for iOS, you can simply click this and you can scan also for Android client as well. So this is the second method. So again, you can also simply scan this QR code and you will be redirected to the downloading of the software. With regards to the registration instructions, so I think the first one is with regards to the domestic version. This we only support the cell phone number registration. I think for domestic we can do support both for the phone number and the email registration. And if you're already in a team, you can click the button to join the team, and you can get the invitation code or the QR code of the team from which your team administrator. So if you don't have a team, you can click the option to create the team by default, and the team administrator creates new teams for you. So each mobile phone number can support joining up to 4 teams only. Okay, so yeah, let me show you to how it is being do the registration using your mobile phone. So first is to select sign in, sign up. So just simply click this one. After which, register your phone number and click next. So also you have an option to register your email. And after that, you need to enter the verification code obtained from the SMS. So I think we send the OTP on your mobile phone as your verification code. You just simply copy that and paste it here. So paste the OTP and click sign up. So after that, you need to enter your information. You need to complete your information here, your name and your password. Then click next. Then after that, you can have the access to join the team, or you can have, if you don't have, you want to create your own team, and also you can use a personal edition to create a New Link personal version. So after that, if you want to join, yeah, so say for example, you click join. So there's some ways to join. You can enter the code given by the administrator, or you can simply scan the QR code that is given by your administrator. So the New Link registration, after that, you can click on the upper right corner. So once you have log in, you can simply click to the corresponding server. Click this one and try to make sure that you're connected to for the Singapore. So the server for global market is we have our server in the Southeast Asia, which is in Singapore server. So how about if you want to use your PC? So again, same, you need to input your phone number. You already installed the PC client, open that one and enter the phone number and just simply click next. And after that, your phone will receive OTP and you need to enter the OTP. Just copy and paste here, then click sign up. After which, you need to complete the information. So place your name, password, and confirm, then click next. Then, same process, you can configure your team either by joining, you can create, enterprise team, or can use a personal edition for that one. So yeah, this is simply that you have to input the code here, invitation code, and you can click to join. And with regards to the network settings, so here, this is a display. There is a the left down bottom here, network settings. Just simply click this one. Then you need to select the Singapore for overseas market. Yeah, after which you're going to log in already and you can already go access the management system. So let's go to the New Link management system. After you have logged in, so this is the display here. So the PC admin, you can create, you can go to this one, your photo here, then click administration. So after you click that, you will be redirected to here, login page, or just simply scan or log in this field here, your phone number, your password, verification code, the captcha, and click login. Or the simplest way is just simply click this one and then scan this from your phone, and you will be redirected to the New Link management system. So once in the New Link management system, so yeah, you want to make enterprise management effectively, So you can set up multi-level organization. So you can add, it's depend on the requirement of your organization. So go to organization, members, and department, then click new department, and it will be shown here. So this is yeah, you need to fill in the important fields that has having the asterisk. So say for example, engineering, parent department test, and I can add supervisor that you want to do a person in charge for that for this department. Then click confirm. After clicking in confirm, you can also send yeah, invitation. So the members, so you want to join, so you can enable this code. Yeah, go to invitation near the organization structure, then invitation. Then here, click enable. So again, you can send either the code or the QR code, right? This is the I mean team code or the QR code. So you can do either way. These two send to the users that you want to invite or join the team. So you can simply set. So set also the time, the invitation expiration. You can set that to just 1 day or just 1 week. Yeah, and you can also send that as permanent. So you can define the time when the user can join your team as well. Okay, so if you want to add a new member, go also to organization members, then you can click this information here, fill in the information that is required. So the name, the department, his cell phone number, his email, and after that, you can click done. And if you want to add more, you can click this one. If you just simply add a one person, just simply click done. Yeah. So I think that's for the management system. So you already add a new user, then create a department. Now the important part is we need to bundle. We need to integrate our OM IPPBX with New Link application. So the first step is you gonna do is you need to log into OM, then go to the application and New Link page and click enable. So so this procedure, we want to make sure, right? We want to make sure that your company's extension on the New Link uh, to contact your customers. That is anytime, anywhere, right? This is we have a unified office number. So this is to make sure that you never miss a call on your corporate extension. So you need to enable this. We need to bind your New Link to our OM IPPBX, then enable this function. Next step is that the team administrator, you need to open on your mobile phone. So you need to go to settings, then IPPBX, then go to here, then you need to click add OM. Then after which you need to enter the name of the OM. So yeah, you need to define, because if you have several OM IPPBX, you need to be definitive of the name of your OM to be added to the services. And then you can scan the code after which that. So just follow the steps. If you click this one, you'll be guided as well. So basically you have to go back to this page here, right? So this page, you can simply scan this one. So just simply open your scan on your phone, then add those the OM50G. Yeah, you just simply following that, click scan code and go to that. So after that scanning, it will say take some time. Then it will show here the registration is completed. It show here registered did successfully. The status is activated. You can see the SIP username, and of course, you need to restart your device. So to make sure that everything works perfectly and should be have a registration successfully. So restart your device. After that, you will see the status. And yeah, if you want to interconnect with your OM IPPBX with your extension, so you need to add extension, of course, right? So you have to go to your mobile app, smartphone, Android or iOS, go to settings, IPPBX connection, then extension manager, then add the extension here. Click this one and add the specific extension. So you need to define, again, you need to define the username, the extension on your OM IPPBX. So in this instance, I use 103 extension on my OM50G. Then after that, click save. So once you have done that, go again to your login to your OM IPPBX. So for this instance, I'm using OM50G. I go to application, new link, then enable this one. So enable that, and you have to click, right, turn on the oscillation function, then click save. So in this way, the extensions, the mobile phone or external line, right? You can quickly initiate a call to an extension by entering the extension number or via the contact list. Or you can one-click dialing to a colleague's mobile phone from the session address book. Then also you can make outbound calls directly to an external call. All outgoing calls are made through the company line. So with this connection, you have already achieved the interconnection with your OM IPPBX and Newlink APP. So allow me to show you how it's going to make internal calls with Newlink. So to call to a team member, you need to go to contacts. Yeah, open that, go to your contacts, then click the call button. So click this one. And you need to click my contact. Say, for example, I have this contact. I need to call Bella. Then click this and click the call button. So after which, I know that Bella is other side or so already ringing, and she has to accept that, and we'll be able to make an internal call with Bella. So that's how to make internal calls with Newlink, and how to make external calls with Newlink. Of course, we need to click the dial pad button. So say for example, I have this on my calls, recent calls, then I have to click this dial button. After which, I need to dial the number that I want to make a call. And yes, I can already make a call with the external calls with the Newlink. So I have to enable the external calls also on the Newlink app as well. So how are we going to transfer a call with Newlink? So during a call, you can click on transfer button to transfer a call. So this is just an example to show you. So currently I'm been talking to Sian, and I want to transfer my call to my colleagues. So I need to click this button, then go to my organization structure and see which one I need to transfer this call. So say basically I want to transfer this call to Bella. So now we have an option. After that, there is an option for you to either blind transfer, I think when we blind transfer, this is transferring the call to the third party without consultation. And we have also the option for attended transfer. It means you can talk to the third party before transferring the call to her. So I need to choose which one. Then after that, click okay, click that one. So I'll be able to make a transfer call to Bella. Now, if I want to make a three-way meeting with Newlink, so you can simply click the meeting button. So currently, I'm been talking with Fen, and I have to talk this meeting button. After that, I need to select this one, click that, then I'm talking to Finn, so I need to add Yun on my conversation meeting. So I need to add Yun for that. So I invite Yun to join the meeting. Then of course, Yun has to accept the meeting. If he accept that, so we'll be able to have a three-way meeting with Yun and Finn as well. Okay, so I think we're almost done. So let me show you the last one is to how to relay the current call to other terminals. So yeah, our call do support we do have a multi terminals. We do support that one. Say for example, I'm on current call with Zian and I have to relay the calls to I have to relay the call to other terminals. So I have to click this one and select the relay device. I can click to my extension, to my phone, or to my other new link device, right? So I have to choose which device I need to relay the call. And after that, it shows here relaying the call and it shows you that the relay is successful. So yeah, again, we can do such, we can dial multi-devices, right? So we can do mobile phone to analog phone, mobile phone to IP phone, vice versa, mobile phone to external terminal, vice versa, and mobile phone to any iPad or to PC, conference hub, to multi media video phone, or to the automobile console. So we do support multi-platform, support video call, and support multimedia video call for different multiple devices. So yeah, I think this is just have to show you how to combine and how to bundle our OM IPPX with Newlink APP and how to manage the administration management, and of course how to make calls on your Newlink APP devices. So yeah, for tomorrow, we'll be showing you, I think, the deployment, installation, and configuration when you want to have on-premise deployment. So I think that's conclude our training for today. And I believe there are some questions, so I'll try my best to answer them all.